always one step forward and three steps back. Do you love me, want me, hate me? Boy, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. And maybe in some masochistic way, I kinda find it all exciting. Like, which lover will I get today? Will you walk me